Chapter Review 2, Question 9. The daily mean temperatures recorded in Dakar, Senegal during September are shown in table below. Estimate the mean and the standard deviation of the temperatures. So starting with the part A, the mean is sigma fx divided by sigma f. That is, so here I already have written the mid-x values. So to find sigma fx, 26 into 12 plus 28 times 14 plus 30 times 4, all of it divided by the total frequency, which is the days of September, which are 30. And the answer is 27.4667. We round it off to 3 significant figures, and this 27.5. That answers to part A for the mean. Now we move on to standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of the mean of the squares. So let us find the mean of the squares, which is 26 squared into 12 plus 28 squared into 14 plus 30 squared into 4 divided by 30. This is the mean of the squares minus the square of the mean. So we have already found the mean here, which is 27.5. So we need to find the square of, we take the unrounded value 466.7, the square of this. All right, and then we get the answer as the standard deviation 1.36. That answers to part A. Now part B, use linear interpolation to find an estimate for the 10% to 90% interpercentile range. So for the part B, we will first find the cumulative frequency, which is 12, 26 and 30, and 10th percentile is P10, that is 10% of 30, which is 3, and 90th percentile will be P90, that is 90% of 30, and that is 27 days, 27. So moving on with the interpolation, the cumulative frequency 3 lies in the first class interval, which is between 25 to 27. So 25 to 27, and that's the 10th percentile. The frequency before and after the end of the class, which is 12, and we are looking for the third frequency. Now here we have the 90th percentile, and the value is 27. The frequency, it comes in the last class interval, which is 29 to 31, and that is 90th percentile. So frequency before and after is 26 and 30, and we are looking for the 27th value. So the 10th percentile P10 after calculation is 25.5, and the 90th percentile P90 after calculation is 29.5, and we have the interpercentile range as P90 minus P10, that is equal to 29.5 minus 25.5, that is equal to 4. And that answers for part B. Now the part C says, estimate the number of days in September when the daily mean temperature in Dhaka is more than one standard deviation greater than mean. Now we already have the mean, which is 27.5, and the temperature has to be more than one standard deviation. So standard deviation was 1.36, so we add 1.36 and we get 28.86 degrees as the temperature. So we will do interpolation. A class interval is on top, which is temperature. So 28.86 degrees will be in the second class interval, 27 to 29. So 27 to 29, and there is 28.86 degrees. And we need to find the number of days greater than. So the cumulative frequency before and up till is 12 and 26. And when we do interpolation, we get the value of n as 25.3. But we are looking for the number of days greater than 25.3. So the number of days greater than 25.3 will be 30 minus 25.3, which is equal to 4.7, which can be rounded to 5 days to the nearest day.